Namaste, Amisha Khushrow-Bhatia. I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the practical protocol uh, belongs to the human anatomy and physiology practical. Today's topic is total leukocyte count. This practicals belongs to the B Farm first semester students. So this is a very important topic and for the performing the uh, performing the practical. So the object is total leukocyte count with uh, improved neighbor chamber. Neighbor chamber is a very important chamber for the identification and the total count of leukocytes and WBC and RBC overall helpful for this chamber. So we come to the what is the requirement of the practical to perform to help this practical. To requirement is the microscope, improved neighbor chamber, WBC pipette, WBC diluting fluid, double oxalated or EDTA blood. So, what is the principle of total leukocyte count? Firstly, we discuss about the blood specimen is diluted 1:20 in a WBC pipette with the diluting fluid. Water is to glacial acetic acid is to gentian violet is equal to 97 is to 2 is to 1, and the cell are counted under low power of the microscope 10x, approx 10x or 14x. 14x is not clear image and 10x is proper for the identification of the slide. By using a counting chamber, the glacial acetic acid lyses the red cells while the gentian violet slightly stains the nuclei of the leukocytes to locate the WBC under microscope. So white blood cells present in plasma take part in body defense against invading microorganism. They are produced from the pluripotent stem cells in the bone. Marrow in adult. In case of fetus, hemopoiesis occur in liver and spleen. So the normal range of total leukocyte count according to age and normal WBC count cell MM3 of the blood. Firstly, at birth like neonates, once 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 to 25,000. In infants, 8,000 to 15,000, and 4 to 7 years children, 6,000 to 15,000, and 8 to 18 years, 45,000 to 1 lakh 3,500. In adult, 4,000 to 1 tens 100,000, 10,000 to 10,000. So the pregnant pregnancy case, 12,000 to 15,000. So this is the overall the range of the normal WBC count and normal ranges of total leukocyte count. Now we come to the differential leukocyte count. Types of WBC is depends upon the blood granulocytes. Granulocytes are made up of the polymorphonuclear leukocyte, and agranulocyte is mononuclear leukocyte. Neutrophils, granulocyte is composed of the neutrophils, basophils, and eosinophils. Neutrophils percentage contain 54 to 70%, and basophil contains 0 to 1%, and eosinophil contain 2 to 4%. Agranulocyte, mononuclear leukocyte contain monocyte 3 to 8%, and lymphocyte 22 to 30%. So there are the differential leukocyte count on the behalf of types of WBC and their percentage. So now we come to the clinical significances of total leukocyte count. What is the clinical significance of the total leukocyte count? Firstly, the increase in total leukocyte count of more than 10,000 CU/mm microliter is known as the leukocytosis, and decrease of less than 4000 CUMM microliter as a leukopenia. This is the decreasing order of the, this is a deficiency. So types of WBC elevated in plasma, so their significance. What is the role of the, what is the significance of the neutrophils? Acute bacterial infections, hemorrhage, diabetic acidosis, and next one is significance of the basophils, increase in type of blood, discresis. And next one is significance of the eosinophils, increase in parasitic and allergic conditions, pernicious anemia. Now we come to the, what is the monocyte? Hodgkin's disease, lipid storage disease, and recovery from severe infections, monocytic leukemia. Now last one is the lymphocyte. Lymphocyte is viral and chronic bacterial infections, acute and chronic lymphocytic leukemia, and antigen reactions. So this is the clinical significance of the differential leukocyte count. This is very important part. So now we come to the, what is the procedure of the total leukocyte count. Firstly, make a 1:20 dilution of blood. Cork the tube tightly and mix the suspension by rotating in a cell suspension mixture for at least 1 minute. And then fill the neighbor counting chamber by means of a partial pipette of glass capillary. The depth of the fluid should be 0.1 mm. Now the focus on one of the W marked areas, each having 16 small squares. By turning objective to low power 10x and count cell in all 4 W marked corners. So we can use the formula of the calculation of total blood count. Firstly, discuss about the calculation formula. Number of white cells, CUMM micro L, of whole blood is equal to number of white cells counted into dilution upon 16, and depth of the fluid 1 upon 4 into 1 by 4. So the dilution is equal to 20 and depth of fluid is equal to 0.1 mm constant. This is the constant area, no vary and no change for this value. So this is the calculation, and this is the complete protocol for this practical. This practical is very important for the proper information of the blood, and total leukocyte count is belongs to the human anatomy and physiology practical for the B Pharm first semester. This digital session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.